Dear students, today our subject matter is the self-compacting or self-consolidating concrete. This type of concrete expels entrapped air without vibration and travels around obstacles such as reinforcement to fill all space within the formwork. This is useful with intricate patterns of pre-stressing tendons and poorly accessible areas near anchorages. Vibration is noisy and therefore objectionable to neighbors, especially at night and at weekends. Avoiding this noise is the second argument for the use of self-consolidating concrete. There is also a third reason, and that is the health effects of immersion vibrators on operatives. Holding the vibrator damages nerves and blood vessels and causes the so-called white finger or hand vibration syndrome. This is obviously socially undesirable, and in the UK there are regulations on the use of handheld vibrators. As yet, self-compacting concrete is not widely used in the UK. In addition to Japan, Sweden and Netherlands are the leaders in the field. In the USA, the Precast or Pre-Stressed Concrete Institute, that is PCI, already has a guide on SCC, and ACI has proposed a very helpful guide 237R07. Interestingly, the impetus for the development of self-compacting concrete came from the desire to minimize the use of unskilled labor in Japan. There is no doubt that self-consolidating concrete will become more widespread in the near future, even for lightweight concrete. There are three desiderata, that is zones, for the concrete to be classified as self-consolidating. That is flowing ability, passing through closely spaced reinforcement, and resistance to segregation. Various tests for each of the three properties have been proposed, but no comprehensive test method has been standardized. In 2010, there were published 5 BSEN standards under the designation BSEN, that is British Standard and European Standard combined, 12350. Part 8, slump flow, Part 9, V-funnel test, Part 10, L-box test, Part 11, SIP segregation test, and Part 12, J-ring test. The means of achieving self-compacting concrete are the use of more fines, that is smaller than 600 micron than usual, and appropriate viscosity achieved by a controlling agent, water cement ratio of about 0.4, use of super plasticizer, a good aggregate shape and texture, less coarse aggregate than usual, that is 50% by volume of all solids. This may result in lower aggregate interlock, which is beneficial in shear resistance. Clearly, very good batching controls are necessary. Self-compacting concrete is very useful for heavily reinforced members of any shape and with bottlenecks both in precast concrete and in situ. The only limitation is the top surface must be horizontal. Recent standards are BSEN 2069 2010 and ASTM C 171209. Indian scenario of self-consolidating concrete or self-compacting concrete. There are only a few projects where SCC has been used during last few years. The prominent among them are the Delhi Metro project and atomic power projects at Tarapur and Koiga, where medium strength SCC has been used. Some experiments on structural behavior of high strength SCC at Structural Engineering Research Center, Chennai, have been reported. The behavior of SCC is similar to conventionally compacted concrete. As compared with conventional concrete of comparable strength, the materials cost of SCC is approximately 10 to 15% higher and labor cost is 25% lower, and the overall construction costs are comparable. Thank you.